Hello guys, the best thing you want to avoid as a crypto trader in the year 2023 is losses. You will not want to lose your money just like you did in 2022. And as a Nigerian, if you are trading cryptocurrency, the best time for you to buy or sell cryptocurrency in Nigeria is at night, say within the period of 12 to 1 a.m. We have millions and millions of people trading cryptocurrency from different parts of the world, from China, from the UK, from the United States, from Nigeria, and these places has different time zone. The time zone affects the ups and down that happens in the market. It is the emotions or the psychology of traders from different parts that leads to these fluctuations and the volatility or ups and down in the chart. Okay, so you need to understand when this is favorable or when it is the best time for you to scalp the market in Nigeria, and that is why I'm giving you this scope. I believe by now most of us know what technical analysis or fundamental analysis means. If you don't, I'm going to leave a link in the description box so you can check them out and learn one or two. In technical analysis, there is something called the candlestick. The candlestick in the charts helps us to identify these uptrends and downtrends, give prediction on the markets and what to expect in the markets per time. I've always said that the higher the time frame you check, the more precise or accurate your analysis is going to be. And my favorite of all is the 24 hours candlestick, which is the 1-day candlestick. When it closes, it helps you determine what the market is going to look like in the next 24 hours. Okay, unlike that of the 1 minute or 5 minutes that helps you see what the market will be like in 5 minutes. The 24 hours candlestick gives analysis of what to expect in the market. So if you are awake and you see that it is initiated, you can quickly go into the market, say you short or you sell. So what I usually do is I go opposite the market at night. When daily candlestick is initiated and there is a pump immediately, because it usually comes with some volatility. When there is a pump, I do the opposite, and when the market falls, I do the opposite, because I believe as soon as possible people are going to be buying or selling in another time zone when they wake up or before they go to bed. Let me use three states as an example: the Nigeria, USA, and China. In Nigeria, we are 7 hours ahead of the USA and we are 7 hours behind those in China. So what it means automatically is that when you are sleeping, those who are in the USA are already in their evening at our own midnight. And those who are in China are already in the morning. I mean, by midnight here, it is already 7 o'clock in USA, and in China, it is 8 a.m. Traders are going to be selling off in USA because it is their evening. They might be closing their trades, and those in China might just want to open trade. The day just started for traders. So these decisions come in and makes the markets react to different things. So very quickly, let's go to Binance so I can show us practically how this works and how best you can use this candlestick to quickly take profits and make good gains at night. So right about now, as you can see, the candlestick here came up 4 a.m. on the 27th, and this came up 4 a.m. You can just check your wallet to confirm the particular time that a new daily candlestick comes up. It differs from exchange to exchange, okay, but I don't know why there is 4 a.m. here. Might be a problem from the timing. Okay, so this shows 4 a.m. this is 4 a.m. this is 4 a.m. and 4 a.m. okay, which means this chart is telling us that it always prints a new candlestick at 4 a.m. Now let me show us the volatility that comes with it. Go to 1 hour time frame. You would see that this is 6 a.m. at the moment. This is 5. Remember, the time that it always brings out another daily candlestick is 4 a.m. okay, now at this 4 a.m. there was a fall and it broke down to this place, and for the next 1 hour after the daily candlestick came up, the price fell from 22,900 to 22,500, okay, and the buyers pushed it up. Right now it is at 22,790. all right, so this is what happens when you are awake and you scalp from here, because you've already seen that there was a fall. Let's also backdate this to see what happened the previous 4 a.m. okay, so let's go. This is 11:10, 4 a.m. okay, before this time there was volatility in the market. So this was 1, this was 2, this was 3 a.m., this was 4 a.m. Now you see that at 2 and 1 a.m. there was a pump and dump that already happened at night. Some persons bought and they also dumped it. You see that candlestick tried to go back up, the next one tried, but there was a reversal candlestick after this. It was not able to break out of this resistance level. Okay, so this 5 a.m. now is when you enter the trade, which is an hour after the daily candlestick was initiated. So you can simply scalp the market from doing a short, which it eventually fell. That's after 10 hours we were here. So say the candlestick was initiated 1 a.m. and you count 10 hours from 1 a.m. By 10 o'clock in the morning, you should be here, which means it was initiated at night, but when you wake up in the morning, your short is going to take profit for you. Now let's go back again and check for another 4 a.m. On the 25th, 4 a.m. for 25th of January, and see what happened after this 4 a.m. came up, which is the last hour to complete the 24 hours. The price dumped, and when it jumped to this 22,300, the buyers pushed it. It closed with a reversal candlestick. If you enter this trade from here, say there is going to be a bit correction, of course when you wake up in the morning or when you give it time, you're going to see that actually there was a little movement. So with this, you can scalp your market. There is always a little bit of volatility when the daily candlestick comes up. Okay, all right, so I hope this helps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get notifications when I drop good videos that will profit you like this. Thank you for watching.